Oh yeah, that's good shit. Yes. Just exploring. What? Oh, some kind of jump there. Let's get a top look at the one that I'll probably be doing here in a minute. Definitely not doing that one. No chance, no way, no how. That is a gap. This is the one I will go and do, and this is the one. Let's see. Yeah, it's hard to get much speed even coming off of there just because of the takeoff is so bumpy. So if you're getting squirrely, you're not making it. But I mean, I've landed right here, right up here. We need to go that far. So yeah, let's see. Let's put you up, and I'm sure we'll bottom out. No doubt. That is if I don't fucking crash. All right, give it a go. All right, you'll see what I'm saying. I can't get no speed coming up here. Up this, and then up another hill. There we go. All right, here we go. Definitely shorted it. Most definitely shorted it again. And on my front fork, so I don't know. We're gonna have to correct. That. Oh man, I just gotta get some confidence. I really do. I know I can do that. I'm just absolutely terrified of eating shit and getting hurt. I'm such a fucking pussy. Alright. I don't know. We're gonna give it another shot. See what happens here. Okay. Oh! Nearly made it! That was so much better. Holy shit. Didn't make the downslope completely, but yes. That's a gap. Let's see. I might have to set the GoPro up over by this tree. Let's see. For me, I guess that's okay. For me, that's okay. I guess like there to there. I don't know. I'm sure it would look absolutely disturbingly terrible on GoPro, and I'm not sure if I want to watch it. But we all got to start somewhere. So we're going to start by throwing some mud. We head back down this way. There was a dude on a dirt bike a while ago on a trail that went down. Maybe I go see where that trail goes. Let's do that. Really what it is, I need someone else to ride with out here. I definitely need some help on jumping and wheeling. So I probably didn't even mention I'm 42, almost 43. Like I said, new to riding. I have children that depend on me to go to work, so I am cautiously reckless at times. We'll just say that. Cautiously reckless. I kind of know my limits. I wasn't that way as a kid. That's for damn sure. Nope. When I was a kid, I had no fear. None. On a bike. Little hill climby. Surron is more than capable of that. What do we got? Let me explain how my little obsession for this little baby here came about. So, just got out of a very bad divorce. It only lasts about 6 months. Could have been way worse, but to me, it was absolutely terrible. And when I got done with that, I decided I need to do something for myself. So I got on Amazon and I found a fat tire e-bike. I just wanted to get out and go ride something, but pedaling's like not my thing anymore. So I got a fat tire e-bike. I think it was like 1500 watt, dual motor, dual batteries. I think it was pretty cool. Like, it was fast and it was fun, but the pedals just, no. You're trying to do fun stuff and the pedals get in the way. So I started just looking up more stuff on YouTube about these, and then I found the Surron. And as soon as I saw it, there was never any doubt in my mind that I wasn't going to get this thing. I was instantly hooked, and the first chance I got, I went over to my local electric shop. I'm gonna give a shout out, All Electric Motorsports in Clearfield, Utah. If you need a light B Talaria, he's got Ultra Bs, he's got bicycles, he's got scooters, he's got all sorts of stuff. But really good dude. Been down there for a lot of stuff, and he's helped me out a lot, especially in the beginning. I knew nothing about these, and it's just a learning process. But I feel like with everybody, you learn real fast because we love them so much. So yeah, I bought it, and I do have to say, this is a fun spot. If there weren't so many rocks, it could be just a little bit more fun. Little hill climbing. Yes. All right, we were already here a while ago. It's gonna take us to the back. We're just gonna see where that little trail goes. If a dirt biker's gonna go, how bad could it be? You know what I'm saying? Not sure if we'll go too far, but we're gonna go investigate. That's the joy of this fucking bike. Literally. Oh, it's sandy. This is great. That's what I'm talking about. Give me some sand. Yeah, baby. Okay. I don't know. No. Okay, we definitely can't go up there. As per the signs. Okay. Bonneville Shore. Oh, I do know that that is a trail. Bonneville Shoreline. Wait. No motor vehicles. Honestly, I don't have time for this anyway. E-bikes, obviously cool. I'm not trying to piss anybody off today, so yes. Maybe he went this way. Oh, big loose rock right in the fucking middle of that. Not cool. Well, I ain't fucking doing that, I know that much. Hell no, that's the big boy. That's straight death. That's death. There's no way I could do that. I don't think, no matter how much I practice, I would. There's a ton of content though from, I think, Utah YouTubers, honestly. There's a few people that post, so they're always good to have around, so you can pick their brain. One of them, I saw a short that he made. I'll just give another shout out, I guess. Clue 801. He put a little short of somebody greasing that jump over there that I just and I asked him where it was on YouTube, and he told me it was, there's like a V. I don't think you can see it now, but there's a big ass V on the side of the mountain, and said go there. And so here we are. So I can imagine in the summer this place is fucking going. I bet it's going off. So all right, we'll give her one more go. One more go, and I think I'm done jumping for today. And you just can't press your luck. I didn't bring tools, but I am also not parked very far. But I have a feeling I'm not gonna take too many more hits like that on my front fork. Oh, a big hit. Yeah, well, we'll see what that looks like. Not good. I don't know. More speed. I don't know. Guess I need more speed. I don't know. More speed, maybe preload, but definitely, unless that bounced back up, which I don't think so. You know what? You're gonna get something that can withstand the abuse next year. So. All right, we're just gonna go rip it up then. Why not? I only got less than an hour before I gotta go to work. My job's pretty cool though, honestly. I'm a conveyor belt mechanic at UPS, and it's a good gig. I can't say I love it, but honestly, I don't have any complaints. I do work a swing shift, which is very... Oh, let's go down. Look at this. Little washed out shit. Yes, sir. Hang on. Okay, anyway. Swing shift can be tough for personal life and whatnot, for sure. That would be my only complaint, but it also gives me a chance to come out here during the day, kind of do whatever the hell I want. If I want to spray some mud, I'm gonna spray some mud. I spent all my time, where the hell am I even? Oh, I'm not even back over. Okay. All my time is spent on YouTube, just looking up people riding and looking up parts on different websites and what are people running and this and that. So it's absolutely become an obsession, which is no surprise. I mean, come on. She is not the biggest, she is not the fastest, and she will never be that. But she is mine, and I fucking love her. So winter is quickly setting in. This is a very nice day in Utah. It's about 60 degrees right now, and it's November 2nd. So if this I honestly don't know if we're posting, so this all may be just for my enjoyment, maybe someone else's enjoyment. Maybe this will be something to get someone else inspired, because the more people with these, honestly, I think the better. I rode solo for a very, very long time until recently. I found a nice group of guys, and I just never saw anybody before on the streets. I don't really have social media. I'm starting to get into it now because I just want to follow as much of this content as I can. So but there is a pretty good e-bike following out here, so we took a group ride. I exchanged numbers with a bunch of guys, and now my friend circle is starting to grow exponentially, because while all my friends want these, they don't want to pony up and get one. So they know how fun they are. They're just, nobody just, yeah, I'm sorry, like, and you're not riding my bike either. Go get your own, unless you can afford to pay for it. So ever even attempt this, I don't know. See, God, that sounds terrible. Well, here's our jump. Let's go see. We landed all the way over here this time. So I don't know, I'm gonna give that a good 30 feet, 30, yeah, I'll say 30 feet. So benchmark test for today, roughly 30 feet. But I just wish that landing felt better. That was terrible. That was just so bad. So bad. Yeah, maybe I should go do some street riding. It's a little bit of a ways to get down there though. I hope all this comes out good, honestly. But for now, let's fucking go. Big ass hill. Brakes don't fail me now. All right. We're not gonna go too far. We're just gonna get a little bit of everything in here though. Bike lane it up. Fuck it. There we go. Let's catch this car. Trash can. God, this Velcro strap keeps getting caught on me. I gotta pull over. God. Something. What the heck? Whenever I turn my head, what is this? This is what I normally do. I mean, I hit the sidewalks and if I just find whatever, but what I found is street riding is fun, but it's definitely funner with a friend. 100%. Let's go do some sidewalk mobbing. See if we can piss the rich people off. I don't even know where the hell I'm at. Yeah, wrong turn. Definite wrong turn. We gotta go farther south. South. What is better than a Surron? Ladies and gentlemen, the answer to that question is absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. The freedom, the fun. My God. We're gonna try to make something of a little YouTube channel. I don't know. I don't expect it to hit. No fucking way. I don't even think I have the time to put into that shit, but I think it's something I want to dabble in. So if this does end up going up on YouTube and you like what you see, don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. So